Class 9 Geography, Chapter Earthquakes. This is the first part of this chapter. Any sudden vibration or movement of a part of the Earth's crust caused by natural or man-made stresses resulting in violent tremors or shaking and the trembling is called an earthquake. It can be defined as a shock or series of shocks due to a sudden movement of crustal rocks generated at a point known as seismic focus within the crust or mantle. The point where the shock waves or seismic waves reach the surface is termed as epicenter. It is directly above the focus point. The waves generated by an earthquake are recorded by an instrument called seismograph or seismometer. The science of earthquakes is known as seismology. Earthquakes are one of the most hazardous natural phenomena because of the extent of damage to life and property they cause all around. Man has been unable to control this disaster and is helpless against this natural calamity. Causes of earthquakes. The main causes of earthquakes are volcanic eruptions, folding and faulting, plate tectonics, and anthropogenic factors. Volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruption is one of the main causes of earthquakes. Volcanic earthquakes are caused by gas explosions. Such earthquakes occur either simultaneously with eruption or more commonly in the period preceding an eruption. Folding and faulting. A fracture in a rock along which there has been an observable amount of displacement is known as fault. Earthquakes occur when movement of the earth takes place along the line of fracture called a fault. Such earthquakes are called tectonic earthquakes. Plate tectonics. The crust of the earth is made up of a series of movable plates. These plates move and slide over each other and their edges produce faults along the line of weaknesses. This movement of plates causes earthquakes. Most earthquakes are caused by tectonic movements. These earthquakes are very powerful and occur in high-risk regions of the Pacific Ring of Southeast Asia, Philippines and Indonesia, and northern India along plate boundaries. In India, 2001, a severe earthquake occurred in Bhuj, Gujarat because of the lowering of the Indian plate below the Asiatic plate. Anthropogenic factors. Human interaction with nature is also one of the main causes of the occurrence of many of the earthquakes. The extraction of minerals, deep underground mining, blasting of rocks by dynamites for construction of roads, nuclear explosion, etc. might lead to the occurrence of earthquakes of various intensities and magnitudes. Many of the earthquakes of the world in the present century are the result of construction of dams and reservoirs. Measurement of earthquakes. The magnitude of earthquakes is most commonly assessed by the Richter scale, which was devised by an eminent seismologist, Charles F. Richter, in 1935 and then modified in 1965 by Richter and his colleague Benno Gutenberg. This scale can be related to the energy released at the earthquake center and thus can be used as an estimate of the severity of a particular earthquake. The scale has neither a fixed maximum nor a minimum, but earthquakes rated as high as 8.4 on the Richter scale have been measured so far. Intensity of earthquakes. The intensity or destructive power of an earthquake is measured in relation to the effects of the earthquake on human life. Generally, destruction is described in terms of damage caused to building, dams, bridges, and other structures as reported by witnesses. Here ends this chapter. We will continue this chapter in the next video.